Okay, so I just wanted to say hi to everyone or anyone that is watching my video. Ever since I got hacked, things have been going horrible. Oh no! What the? Why is it lagging? I can move as fast as I'm supposed to, but what about the actions? No! Why? Why is it doing this? Why? Why, Wolf? Why? But things are going horrible. Just want to let everyone who is watching my video know that. And, if you're able to, can you please send me, like, something? Like, to help me out, or just trade me something? I'll put something unwanted on trade, but can you please help me? Because I lost more than I thought. Other than just my rare spike collar, I also lost, let's see, a rare phantom hat, a rare snowman mask, 2 rare Medusa masks, a Beta TV, rare pigtails. Did I say rare phantom hat? Pretty much have everything else, and I'm just lucky that none of the other stuff that I had got taken. Because I'm still kind of rare. And why is it lagging? Move correctly! Move the right way you're supposed to, Wolf. Move the right way. Oh, I hate lag. This is awesome. And I'm not trading my fox hat. Pretty rare fox hat for freedom mask. She don't have any of those on trade. A rare than I look. You're kind of rare. Just got about 5 rares. By the way, elf bracelets aren't rare. You can buy those at the horses only party. So don't accept any trades with elf bracelets. You can buy those. They aren't rare. But people that don't know that, you can trade the horrible stuff for that. Okay. So this is my den. I have a school here. It's the only thing I have to do. Besides think about I got hacked. But I'll be getting a membership soon. And for a fact, I was going to ditch my old account, Cheetos Rock 73366, because I can't change the parent email it was signed up on. I really can't. And I can't get free chat. So when this account gets free chat, well, as soon as I become a member on this account, I'm gonna get an eagle, and that's how I'm gonna get rares. This is one of my friends. Anyway, but I could get free chat on this account, meaning I could say anything I want. Okay, so just want to tell you guys how I'm doing, or just for a random reason. Like and subscribe and leave a comment.